Number 5. A restaurant is at 75% capacity with 120 patrons. How many people are in the restaurant when it is at 100% capacity? And this one can be tricky if you don't get a really good idea of what's going on. And to help you do that, I'm trying to draw a square. It's not working out very well. Have a new version of GoodNotes, and it is not wanting to cooperate with me. Require hold to snap. Let's try this. Sorry, but I really have to do this to learn it. There we go. Okay, so if this is the restaurant, 75%, that's 3/4. Just like 75 cents is 3/4 of a dollar. So let's divide this restaurant into quarters. And let me just do it. I like visuals, so let me take out. There's 1, there's 2/4 or a half. Here's 3/4. And this is made up of 120 people. So you really have to fix that number in your mind. That is not the whole restaurant. That is 3/4 of the restaurant. So I can eliminate A and B right there. I know that my final answer has to be more than 120, but not a lot more, because 3/4 is almost the whole thing. But 120, however you do this, 120 is part of the full restaurant. Now, how you choose to do this is up to you. I like ratio and proportion, but I will show you both ways, the triangle method. Let me just do the triangle method first, or I will forget it, and I don't want to forget it. So if your teacher has shown you this method, it will definitely work, where you have part being divided by percent or whole. So if you do it this way, you're going to have, let me just, rather than draw it again, you know the 120, and you know that your percent is 75. With this method, you do have to make it into a decimal. So you will have 120 divided by 0.75. And that should be 160. Just let me find my cell phone and I'll double check it to be sure. I don't have my scientific calculator, but I don't think I'll need it. 160. So the answer is C. If you want to do it with ratio and proportion, you remember that you will always put percent over whole, so 75 over 100%, and 120 is the part. So here's the proportion. That's 12 with 3 zeros divided by 75 is 160. So either way, 160 would be the full restaurant, and that's what we're looking for.